Here in the video, we will share the details for the QuikTrip Error Code QT2000a. The error reads, "Mobile app login is temporarily unavailable. Please try again. Unable to log in." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to place an order or log in to their QuikTrip account through the app. According to our research, this error may come because of internet connection issues, outdated app version, cache data problems, or any issue with the account password. In some cases, the error can also be from the server side. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the QuikTrip app, then disconnect your device from the internet. Then restart your device, then reconnect to the internet and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the QuikTrip app. If an update is available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, try clearing the cache data from the QuikTrip app and see if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, try changing your account password and then check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, try uninstalling and reinstalling the QuikTrip app and then check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably an issue from the server side. In this case, wait for some time and try again. If the error continues for too long, then you should reach out to the QuikTrip help desk and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.